how to make a fortune in 2023 with crypto or business. Now, we can put them both together in this video after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's get straight in. All right, guys, go over to Economic Times or India Times when we're talking about investing in crypto. So, with the bear market ruling 2022, many investors are happy to see the back of it. With 2023 here, it's time to start researching the tokens that have the most potential for success during this year. So the crypto bear market is expected to continue in 2023, but small sectors of the industry may see respectable growth. Users actually need to figure out which sectors are expected to see positive price action and invest early enough to reap the rewards. Here are 7 cryptocurrencies to buy in 2023 with the most potential. All of these projects have great concepts and are backed by competent teams ready to get the job done and build it in 2023. Here they are. 7 cryptocurrencies. Fight Out is number 1. That's pushing the boundaries of move to earn by rewarding everybody for all their access. Number 2 is Dash to Trade, a platform to provide actionable trading signals for crypto traders. Number 3 is C+ Charge, a project aiming to revolutionize the EV charging infrastructure. Number 4, Robot Era, an exciting planet rebuilding game. 5, Calaveria, an NFT-based card battling ecosystem. IMPT, which is great. It's a project allowing individuals to reduce their carbon footprint. And Lucky Block is number 7, an exciting crypto sportsbook and casino. So how will AI impact 2023? Follow along with that link down below. Artificial intelligence is a fantastic thing, all right? The biggest flaw humans have when it comes to investing is that they are not capable of completely separating their emotions from their financial decisions. They're making AI does not have this same problem. A well-written AI can make decisions based on data and logic, and it will rarely make the wrong choice. That's unless it's been flawed data. Of course, but in theory, at least AI is far superior to humans when it comes to making educated, informed decisions. The most potent of AI use thus comes down to decision making. Sure, it can also be used to predict future market trends based on previous ones, and it can even take world affairs and the weather into account, but it will never be flawless as the stock market is still ruled by human factors to a certain extent. Now, how can this help you own your own business? So the artificial intelligence has evolved so much in the last few years that you can find applications in almost every business sector. Okay, as per Statista, the artificial intelligence software market worldwide is expected to reach $126 billion by 2025. Almost all business make use of AI in one form or another and have profited profusely. If you're into a business and looking for ways to make money online, you have landed in the right place in this article. We will talk about the top 10 ways to use the AI business in 2023 and to become a millionaire, okay? Keep reading on this article if you want to get in. It's analyticsinsight.net. The links are down below. There you have it, guys. That's enough from me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified. I will see you next time.